Hello, I'm Clive Rich, I'm the founder of LawBite, and this video is all about how to protect your enterprise. One area that companies often neglect when they're thinking about protecting their company is intellectual property. So do you have any rights in intellectual property which can add value to your business and which are worth looking after? One area of intellectual property is copyright. You may own copyright in any number of different materials, visual materials, audio materials, software, written documents that you create. So it's worth checking out with a lawyer whether or not you own any copyrights, and if you do, making sure that you protect them, making sure that you assert ownership of those copyrights, that you put a copyright notice on whenever you distribute or reproduce those copyrights. So another form of intellectual property is patents. You may have some innovative technical process that you've come up with that's very radical and can be protected as a patent. It's important to establish that early on, even though patent protection can be quite expensive. The reason for checking that out early with a lawyer or with a patent attorney is that if you do have something that's patentable, but you start talking about it to other people before it's registered, then you may lose your rights to be able to protect it. So the third aspect of intellectual property to investigate is trademarks. You may have some particular name or mark or get up for your business that you can protect as against anybody else using that same name or mark or look and feel. Two parts to protecting that. First is to check out the trademark register to see if anyone's already claimed what you want to claim as a trademark. If they have, you may not be able to use it, or what you have in mind may not be registerable anyway. The second aspect is to then go ahead and register what you want to use as a trademark in particular categories that protect your goods or services and the particular countries in which you want to operate. You can either go country by country, or for example, you can get an EU-wide trademark. Another aspect of protecting your business is confidentiality. So you may have certain information about your business plans, about your processes, about your product that you need to share with other people, maybe investors or potential trade partners. It's worth putting in place a confidentiality agreement before you share it to make sure that they can't use it, copy it, disclose it to others without your permission. My next tip to protect your business would be to negotiate your deals properly. A lot of small companies rush into negotiations, they don't plan, they don't have a framework for how they negotiate, and they get themselves in trouble as a result. Recent research shows that UK PLC loses £9 million an hour through poor negotiation. Don't be a part of that statistic. And my final tip for protecting your business is to make sure that you paper your agreements. What you want is a document that covers the 4 R's of any contract. That's the balance between risk and reward between the parties, and the balance between rights and responsibilities between the parties. Make sure you write all of that down in a proper signed agreement before you proceed. So it's worth following these simple tips to protect your business. It may not make you bulletproof, but it will certainly help you dodge some bullets. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it was helpful. Remember, you can subscribe for videos. If you've got some comments, you can comment below this video, and you can check everything out on btubenetwork.com.